Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I welcome you to today's lecture on Asụsụ Igbo Amaka. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. I welcome you to today's lecture, and I believe we are going to have a wonderful lecture today. Just stay tuned as we go along, okay? So today we are going to finish. I told you that yesterday we didn't finish the names of food and fruits in Igbo language. We were not able to finish it yesterday. So today we are going to finish it today. Although it's remaining just small. So we are going to finish it up today and then face the main topic of today, which is the names of human parts in Igbo language. The names of human parts in Igbo language. So welcome. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. Share. Share the video, please. Share the video. Don't forget to share the video, please. Share the video. Please share. Share the video, please. Share it. Share the video, please. Share the video, please. Like, share, and comment. If there is any question you wish to ask, please don't forget to write in the comment section and I will get back to you, okay? So today we are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is the names of foods and fruits in Igbo language. That is, what are some foods and some fruits called in Igbo language? Kenya na-akpọ mkpụrụ osisi na nri ndị ụfọdụ enwere n'ala Igbo ka ife a na-akpọ ha na Igbo. So today we're going to start with akamu. Akamu, which is pap. I think I will use black color for this. Let me use black for this so that I will be able to differentiate it. I'll be able to differentiate it, yeah. I think it's better. It's better. I use black. So akamu, pap, akamu, pap, akamu, pap, osikapa, rice. Remember yesterday we learned about beans, and we said beans is agua. And today rice is known as osikapa. Rice, osikapa, rice, osikapa, rice, osikapa, rice, osikapa. And we have honor, honor. Honor is called trifoliate yam. Trifoliate yam. Trifoliate yam. That's the trifoliate yam. That's what we call honor in Igbo language. You know, trifoliate yam is what we call honor. You know, in Igbo language. And then we have okporoko. Okporoko. Sorry. Okporoko. Okporoko is stockfish. Stockfish. Okporoko. Stockfish. Okporoko. Stockfish. Okporoko. Stockfish. Ofe. Ofe. Soup. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Ofe. Soup. Ofe. So that's why we're going to stop today on names of foods and fruits in Igbo language. So we'll move into today's topic. The main topic of today is the names of human parts in Igbo language. Names of human parts. Names of human parts. In Igbo. Names of human parts in Igbo. Names of human parts in Igbo. Ihe a na-akpọ ọtụtụ ebe dị iche iche na-arụ mmadụ. Ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo. So we are going to start from the head. What do we call head in Igbo language? We call it isi. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isi, face. Face. Ihu. Face. Ihu. Face. Ihu. Face. Ihu. Neck. Neck. Olu. Neck. Olu. Neck. Olu. Neck. Olu. Neck. Olu. Eyebrow. 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 Ikuanya. 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 Eyebrow. Ikuanya. Eyebrow. Ikuanya. Eyebrow. Ikuanya. Eyebrow. Eye. eye, anya, eye, anya, eye, anya, eye, anya, nose, nose, imi, 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 mouth, mouth, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ, chest, chest, obi, chest, obi, chest, obi, chest, obi, breast, ara, breast, ara, breast, ara, hand, aka, hand, aka, hand, aka, hand, aka, hand, aka, hand, aka, belly, belly, afọ, belly, afọ. Some people call it stomach, stomach, afọ. But the main one is belly. Because if you are learning the biology of the human parts, you will be able to understand that stomach is not supposed to be afọ, but rather the main English word for it is belly. Belly, afọ, belly, afọ, belly button, belly button, belly button, belly button. Some people call it otue, 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 or apa otubo, apa otue, otue, or apa otue. Some people say otubo or apa otubo. Otue or apa otue, or otubo or apa otubo. That's the belly button. That is what it's called. And then we have the finger, 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 mkpịsịrị aka, finger, finger, mkpịsịrị aka, mkpịsịrị aka, or mkpịsịrị aka, mkpịsịrị aka, mkpịsịrị aka, finger, mkpịsịrị aka, leg, leg, ụkwụ, leg, ụkwụ, knee, knee, ikpere, knee, ikpere, knee, ikpere, knee, ikpere, foot, 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 ike ụkwụ, ike ụkwụ, ike ụkwụ, ike ụkwụ, foot, ike ụkwụ, foot, ike ụkwụ, foot, toe, 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 mkpịsịrị ụkwụ, mkpịsịrị ụkwụ, mkpịsịrị ụkwụ, toe, mkpịsịrị ụkwụ, hair, 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 abụba isi, abụba isi, abụba isi, abụba isi, hair, abụba isi, hair, abụba isi, hair, abụba isi, ear, 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 ntị, 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 ear, ntị, ear, ntị, ntị, back, 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 azụ, 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 back, azụ, back, azụ, back, azụ, back. So that is all for today. So we are going to recap what we've learned so far, starting from the names of food, and we finished up today. So we're going to have a recap of it, and then we'll move into the names of man parts in Igbo. So today, yesterday we started with the names of foods in Igbo language, which we couldn't finish because I didn't want it to be too burdensome. I didn't want it to be too big, so that we'll have to take it bit by bit so that we'll be able to, assimilate it. So that was why I decided to be teaching. I wouldn't want my teaching to be passing 30 minutes. Yeah. And I think I'll be maintaining it. It has really not passed 30 minutes, 20 something minutes, which is okay. So that when you read, you'll be able to understand. So yesterday we couldn't finish the some of the foods and the fruits, what they are called in Igbo language. There are so many. Apart from these ones I've just given you, there are so many. But these are the ones I think that are very common. You can see around you in your environment. So now we talked about akamu, which is called pap. Akamu, pap, akamu, pap. Osikapa, rice. Osikapa, rice. Osikapa, rice. Ona, trifoliate yam. Ona, trifoliate yam is a kind of yam. It is called trifoliate yam because it's always divided into three. When you bring it up from the soil, it is always in branches, unlike the other type of yam, which is always straight. In as much as some of them are also paired, but most of them are always straight. So, but trifoliate yam always have so many branches. So I think that is where the name comes from. So we have on a trifoliate yam, oporoko, stockfish. Oporoko, stockfish. Ofe, soup. Ofe, soup. And then we move into the names of human parts in Igbo language. We said head is isi. Head, isi. Face, ihu. Face, ihu. Neck, olu. Neck, olu. Eyebrow, ikwanya. Eyebrow, ikwanya. Eye, anya. Eye, anya. Nose, imi. Nose, imi. Mouth, ọnụ. Mouth, ọnụ. Chest, obi. Chest, obi. Breast, ara. Breast, ara. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Belly, afọ. Belly, afọ. Belly button, otue or akpa otuo, akpa otue or akpa otube. Finger, mkpịsịrị aka. Finger, mkpịsịrị aka. Finger, mkpịsịrị aka. Leg, ụkwụ. Leg, ụkwụ. Knee, ikpere. Knee, ikpere. Knee, ikpere. Foot, iko ụkwụ. Foot, iko ụkwụ. Toe, mkpịsịrị ụkwụ. Toe, mkpịsịrị ụkwụ. Hair, abụba isi. Hair, abụba isi. Hair, abụba isi. Ear, ntị. Ear, ntị. Back, azụ. Back, azụ. Thank you so much for staying tuned. All right, thank you so much for staying tuned. And I wish to see you again same time this weekend on Saturday and Sunday on the same Asusibo Amaka. So until we see then, I wish you a pleasant weekend and a good night. So don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to write down your comments. Any question or any topic you wish me to teach, you are free to write it down. I'm always there for you, okay? So try as much as possible to go back to all we've learned this week and try to go through them again. See you this same time this weekend on Classic ZIZARA. Thank you for staying tuned and bye-bye. Bye.